This is Thursday night at Fox's Landing, a new ocean entry, a lot of lava. Oh, I love it when a rock breaks off like that. Huge flow. You see the bubbles.
Oh, it's like bubbling.
And this is high tide, so the waves keep trying to put it out, and the lava keeps breaking up, breaking out in new places. The endless battle between Pele and her sister. This flow you see is about 15 feet in front of me. And this area to the right used to be Fox's Landing. It's about 20 feet high now from lava. And this is the east side, the new sand beach that was created last week, east of Fox's Landing. This is a mighty flow.
Scaling the picture. Run up to it. I know. Let her run up to it.
Alright. Be careful. He's giving me scale on my video.
Did you see me?
Yeah, he's got it. Actually, no.
I have to focus way back just for you to see.
One for you?
Oh, no, that's not funny.
Just stand over there. Come on, Daddy.
You like your surfing.
Okay, I don't know how to surf. John, you want one?
I already got one.
This is enormous.
Whoa.
The ocean is putting out that end of it,
Yes, because it's so bright.
but this is going to still keep flowing. Here comes a really big wave.